The Wing magnetic switches in the Aula Win68HE Max are linear switches. The tray mount makes the bottom out feel quite stiff, but since the switch springs aren't super heavy, they don't cause much fatigue when typing. The switches come factory lubed, and overall they're nice to type on. The stabilizers are fine, they could use some work. They're not the best I've ever used, but there's no ticking or rattling, which is a very good thing. The typing sound in this keyboard is okay. It's not great, it's not bad, it's just okay. It's a little hollow, especially in the spacebar area. I wonder if some extra foam could help. Here's what the keyboard sounds like.